Dear friends, welcome to our previous video discussed about the concepts or packages. We are discussed about these concepts are called Java string. Java string is a sequence of characters. Java string is a sequence of characters or collection of characters are called string. String is basically an object that represents sequence of characters. String is basically an object that represents sequence of characters. Okay, this is how to declare a string. String, there are two ways of creating for that string. One is called string literal, creating for the string literal. Another ones are called the string object, creating string object. For the example, char, cgets is also called the array of characters that storing for that Java. This collection of characters are called string. This storing for that one way for the string. Another ones are called string s equal to new string char. This is for creating for the string object. Another way for creating the string object. For that example, this is creating for that array of characters. Now is same as how to creating for that. For that example, string s1 equal to Java. It's similar to same. This one is used for the creating collection of characters. This array of characters used to creating a string. Another one is directly creating for the string literal. String s1 equal to double quotes. There's double quotes are used to string collection of characters. That's string s1 equal to Java. This is for string. Okay, this is creating for the string for two ways. One is creating for the string literal, another one is creating for the new keyword used to creating a string object to create a strings. Okay. Now these examples, the string methods, the string class using for the more than 20 methods are used for the string. Now we are discuss about these examples. Import java.io.star. This is for header file importing importing java.io.star. io.star means input output methods are implemented. Okay. Next, import java.util.star. This main public class names are called as sample. Next, main method public static void main string arguments. That's declaring for the string variable string s1. S1 is called the string variable s1. Another one declaring a choice. This is declaring for the integer type of variables. Enter your string. The scanner class used to do that's creating for the scanner class used to get the input values. Suppose you get the input values in keyboard using for the scanner class. Scanner, this objects is called scanner class objects are called cc new scanner system.in. System.in means get the input values in key system. Okay, s1 equal to cc.next. That's suppose you getting for the input values integer means next int. That's converting for the integer data type. The get the input value string means directly cc.next. Choice is also called the integer type of variable. That is cc.next int. Next switch choice. But suppose you getting for the number of different type of choice. Choice is input. Suppose you get the input values string s1 equal to Java. S1 equal to Java. Get the input values s1 are called Java. Another one choice. Get the input values. This is integer values. Get the integer values are called 1. The choice is switch choice is 1. The case 1 is matched. Case 1 is matched. Then string fs. The declaring for the variable fs string. S1 dot two uppercase. Two uppercase is a built-in string methods to converting for the lowercase to uppercase. To converting the string lowercase to uppercase. The S1 already getting the input values. Suppose you get the input values are called Java. Java is a lowercase. That's converting for the uppercase. Fs is storing for the values are called Fs equal to Java. This converting lowercase to uppercase. Okay, this is for using two lowercase methods. The system.out display the value output values are called Java. That's great. Suppose you get the input values choice are changing. Another choosing for the another one choice 2 means the case 2. Whether matching that fs equal to lowercase. They get the input values are called uppercase values. Get the string values are uppercase case. Then the converting for the lowercase. The s1 to lowercase. S1 is get the input values, string values. Okay, system.out converting uppercase to lowercase. Next, another one choice s1 dot length. This method is used to counting the number of characters, length of characters or number of characters. The further example, Java the length S1 when get the input values are called Java. S1 that store the values the Java. The length method is used to count the number of characters or the length of characters. That's counting this. The outputs are called 4. System dot output 4 Java. 1, 2, 3, 4. J is 1, A is 2, 3, 4. The output is 3. Break this till the. Suppose you choosing for the case 4 then S2. They get the input values. Another one string. CC dot next S2. You get the input values. S2 equal to script. The string S3 equal to S1 dot concat S2. S1 concat for that S2. This concating for the two string values. This concating for the two string values. S1 already storing for that S1 equal to Java. S3 equal to script. That's concatenate the S3 is stored JavaScript. This concatenating for the two strings. Okay. This system dot output and S3 is JavaScript. Next, another choice, string fs equal to s1 dot dream. Dream methods is used to removing the white space. That's removing for the white space. Suppose Java space S1 equal to Java. That's this space are removed for the white space is used for the dream method. That's removing for the white space, then display the Java, this break. Default, suppose it does not matching for the any choice, then automatically choose the default method, that's invalid. Just skip the break. This is for string methods. Okay, thank you.